I was away from home and I needed to do some sharpening. So I headed off to the big box store and found this 4-plate diamond system for just $11.50 Australian. There's 4 plates, as you can see, and it comes in a plastic holder, which is pretty useful. The different grits are marked on the end: 200, 300, 400 and 600. And the box has some rubber feet. And they look like they might do a decent job. The plates measure in at 50mm wide, or 2 inches. And for the chisel work I have to do, that's probably not too bad. So let's give it a whirl. We've got the chisel mounted up in a guide, a little bit of window cleaner, and let's do some passes and see how this goes. This chisel had a fairly poor edge on it. One of the corners had been ground back off square, so it took a little bit of work to get it to square up. So then it just became a matter of rinse and repeat, rotating each plate, 300, 400 and then 600, and keep working on the bevel until we got it where we wanted it. I then finished off the back of the chisel on the 600 plate to get rid of the burr that we would managed to put onto the chisel. And it didn't look too bad at this stage. I did a final micro bevel using some 1200 wet and dry paper on a hard surface just to give it a final edge, and then I honed the front and the back on a bit of old scrap hardboard, quite flat particle board of some such that was in the scrap bin, and did a quick test then to see whether we had a reasonably usable chisel, and seemed to do a decent job cutting this paper bag. So all in all, I think probably a successful foray for the princely sum of $11.50. Certainly when you're stuck and in need of something, this would do the job. Thanks for watching.